The Nova Gorica Venice double degree master's program in language science is an innovative and versatile study program that covers a wide range of subjects in modern theoretical and experimental linguistics and cognitive science of language. It was created as a result of joining forces between two strong linguistics departments in Europe with internationally renowned scholars as teaching staff. The double degree program provides plenty of opportunities for studying language and language behavior from very different perspectives. Due to the locations of both universities, the students at the program enjoy a linguistically stimulating environment with access to bilingual populations and many dialectal varieties of languages spoken around them. We believe the program's curriculum strikes just the right balance between different branches of the modern linguistic science so that the students get a broad, up-to-date training, but can also identify a specific focus of their interest soon after the start of the program. Our students enjoy an individualized and highly interactive approach to learning, while being carefully guided in pursuing their chosen topic both inside and outside the classroom. Our program has a distinctly research-oriented focus. Beside the regular, mandatory and elective courses, it offers the students the opportunity to engage in original research work already at the earliest stages and under a close supervision of mentors from both universities. The program has a solid infrastructural support. For instance, students who are interested in pursuing an experimental track have access to modern technologies for studying linguistic behavior, such as eye tracking or electroencephalography. The program is organized so that students spend 2 semesters at one university and 1 semester at the other before embarking on their master's thesis. The mobility component is sponsored in the European context by the Erasmus Plus framework. The program is strongly internationally oriented. All courses are taught in English. The master's thesis is written and defended in the English language in front of a joint thesis committee. Upon completion of the program, students get master's diplomas from the University of Nova Gorica and University of Venice. Our program prepares students for careers broadly associated with language, including research, clinical work, and consultancy. It also prepares students for pursuing a doctoral degree in various branches of language science that explore the structure, use, and cognitive underpinnings of natural language.